Hello all, welcome to my channel Market Wisdom. This is Amit here and I am giving Nifty and Bank Nifty level today. We can see 920 was our previous level and below that it went up to 17,800 as well. Okay, so that was the yesterday's trade. But now first of all let's start looking at the global scenarios. What's happening at the global level? Let's see. Yeah, here is the global level. US Dow Index feature 60 plus up right now, which is a good sign. Yesterday it closed in minus 158. So 3 days continuous sell off in Dow Jones or US markets. Yesterday Dow Jones closed 150 minus point. Okay. Apart from that, if you look at the Asia, Nikkei 300 point up, Hang Seng 80 point up, Shanghai is flat, we can say. China Metal Index is at 18 plus, which is flat, looking like a flat. Let's look at the Australia. Australia is 1% up, that's a good sign. Yeah, so Australia is 1% up here. And if you look at the yield is at 1.56, which is okay. Indian rupee at 74.32, which is also okay, below 75, looking good. Let's look at the crude prices. Crude prices are down a little bit today, 82 and 81, so that is also another good thing. So SGX Nifty, in considering all these things, showing us 40-50 points gap up of 17,974 something, but I believe it will be opening a flat to positive. That's the idea from today's trade. Now let's look at the charts. Okay, so here I am on Nifty chart. So 79.20 was critical support for me and it broke yesterday, but somehow it recovered from there also. Yeah, so let me remove all the drawings so that we can draw freshly. Okay, so this is 1 hour candle. There is support we can see, or trend line we can see like this. Okay, so this is one of the trend line that we can draw, and over here also we can draw one channel. So Nifty is trading in this particular channel. Okay, so now if he browns, it will take a good up move. That's the basic idea behind this particular channel I'm trying to show. Okay, now let's draw support and resistance. Let me remove this first of all, or let it be horizontal line. So yeah, 17,800, you can see 17,795 or 17,800 we can say. This is very critical support and this is a buying area to me, and yesterday also it was buying area to me. Okay, and that's why I bought a few stocks and some index options. Okay, and let's look at the target. So on the target side, we can see there is some resistance at the 18,000. This is still a resistance for us, 18,000. This level, 18,000. Yes, this one, because we can see there are more than few resistances we already saw at 18,000, and on open interest also I'm sure there must be huge call writing at the 18,000. So 18,000 will clearly first resistance for us. So let's say it opens with good positive move from Asia and Dow. Let's say it opens at 17,980 or 18,000, then that will be the first selling area for me. That it will take one attempt at least to break the 18,000. But yeah, today I am not on the selling side, I am on the buying side only, and for buying level I am considering this 17,900 as a very good buying opportunity. 17,895 to 17,900. So if I get anything between this particular zone, that will be my buying opportunity. Okay, and for target I am looking 18,000 plus to 18,060, which is our yesterday or day before yesterday's high, right? This 60 level, 57 or 61. That's the high I'm looking for today. I'm thinking looking at the chart and looking at the open interest, I'm more positive right now, not on the downside right now. Okay, so that's my view in Nifty. Anything between 880 to 900, that is a buying area. So let's draw that one as well. 17,880 buying opportunity, 17,920. This is buying opportunity for me, and in that case stop loss will be little longer, that is at 17,820, and for target I am looking for 18,060 today. That's my target in Nifty. And let's look at the Bank Nifty. Okay, let's first of all look at the open interest for Nifty. On the monthly, this is monthly expiry. Here we can see there is huge call writing at 18,000. That's why I'm saying 18,000 won't be broken in one go. Okay, and we can see there is a huge call writing apart from 18,000, 17,900 to 18,100. So many calls are aggressively written. So that's the main pain point for any up move. Okay, so 18,000 still a resistance for us, but somehow I think we will able to cross that in the later half of the day. Okay, let's look at the weekly expiry, which is next week expiry, 18th. So here we can see, yeah, here also we can see 17,900, 18,000, all everywhere calls are shorter, and I believe 17,900 calls from monthly and weekly expiry should start covering if we able to sustain above 18,000. So that's my trade for Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty quickly. Bank Nifty, yeah, as we can see, we already have drawn the levels over here in Bank Nifty. So 38,950, 38,490 or 38,500. This is buying area for us, and I am on the bullish side in Bank Nifty because of Hdfcbank, Icicibank, and Axisbank. In my opinion, today these three banks will show some good performance, and I'm thinking of 39,100. If we are able to cross 18,000 in Nifty, similarly in Bank Nifty we will able to cross 39,000 today. Okay, and for downside, below 38,400, 500, the next support is at 38,000 directly. So another 500 drop we may see if we break 38,500. So that's the view on the Bank Nifty side, and I'm more on the bullish side. So this is one buying area, this is another buying area, and it should bounce towards this one. First resistance at 38,772, and then after we are open for 39,40 and then 39,100. So that's the target in Bank Nifty. From the stock specific today, I'm more bullish in Hdfcbank, even Icicibank, Axisbank. So these three banks, these three stocks from banking sector. From IT sector, I am still bullish on Infosys and TCS and Reliance. So these six stocks I am bullish, and I'm because of these six stocks, I'm thinking market will able to cross 18,000 and 39,000 respectively in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's my trade for today, and I'm on the bull side. That's my view for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.